So I thought it might be helpful when you're working on this writing equations of parallel and perpendicular lines. Since it was so long ago that we did this, you do have notes, but I thought it'd be helpful if I worked through a couple of examples with you. So it says write the equation of a line that passes through the given point and is parallel. Okay, if you remember, a parallel line has the same slope. So my slope of the line I'm writing the equation for is going to be the same as this. It's going to be negative 3/5. To find the equation, I need to use point slope form. Just as a reminder, point slope form is the y minus the y of your point equals m, which stands for slope, and the x minus the x of your point. So we're going to use the x and y of the point we want it to go through. So we'll do y minus -1, and if you're subtracting -1, that's the same as adding 1, equals m, the slope is going to be the same, x minus the x of your point, which is 5. Now you use distributive property. Negative 3/5 times x is negative 3/5 x. Negative 3/5 times -5, well, negative times a negative is going to be positive. And if I do 3/5 times like 5 over 1, these will cancel, and it'll be left with 3. Or if you think about it, 3 times 5 is 15, 1 times 5 is 5, and it's going to equal 3. So this should be 3 here. Equals y plus 1. I'm almost to the point where I have an equation. I need to get the y by itself, so I need to subtract 1 from both sides. My equation is y equals negative 3/5 x plus 2. This is the equation of the line that is parallel to this line that goes through this point.